Why, hello there. Today we look at the premiere Furlan Marri Discovolante. Welcome to Horology Headline News, your fastest source of information on new watches. At HHN, we'll just go ahead and assume you have never heard about Furlan Marri before. The brand debuted on the Kickstarter in 2021, but since then made quite a splash amongst watch enthusiasts. What's their shtick? Andrea Furlan and Hamad Al-Marri bring you vintage-inspired timepieces without the problem of actual dealing with fragile vintage watches. Their newest proposition is discovolante, which is Italian for a UFO. The case of the watch has the lugs hidden on the underside, providing both unique looks and an ultra-compact wearing experience. It's something straight from the 30s, hence you are forgiven for not remembering it. There are blue, brown, and green color variants, all powered by manually wound caliber peseux 7001. It is just 2.5 millimeters thick, allowing the whole watch to be under 9 millimeters high. You won't even feel it on your wrist, but it will be there to tell you the time when you need it. Unlike a true vintage watch, more than 40 years old by now, Discovolante has a working loom. There's sapphire crystal instead of plexiglass, getting scratches just from looking at it. You can actually see the nice finished movement through a sapphire crystal on the back as well. And it is water resistant. Yes, you don't have to get it off the wrist before even entering the bathroom. And then there are the lovely details. The hands are clearly inspired by the nibs. The applied markers at 9, 12, and 3 create an illusion of a sector dial. The small second sub-dial, a chef's kiss. Philippe Marlowe could have worn this, and it would have brightened his usually sour mood better than yet another shot of whiskey.
Well, how'd you happen to pick out this place?
Maybe I wanted to hold your hand.
Oh, that can be arranged.
Pre-orders are open, link in the description. Delivery in September 2024. I see you haven't resisted the temptation to stop watching. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next one.